Reflection of light at curved surfaces. Example problem. An object 4 centimeters in size is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. So here object size is given and object distance also mentioned and focal length also given. We have to find here the image distance because the question is asked at what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image. Then after we have to find the nature and the size of the image. First we have to find the image distance by using the mirror formula. Then we have to find the size and we have to say the nature by using the magnification formula. We use mirror formula to solve this problem. Mirror formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. U is equal to object distance, v is equal to image distance, and f is equal to focal length of the mirror. Magnification of mirror, m is equal to minus v by u is equal to hi by ho. U is equal to object distance, v is equal to image distance, ho is equal to object height, hi is equal to image height. This magnification of mirror formula also we use to solve this problem. Draw a ray diagram of concave mirror like this. Show the pole of the mirror with P and center of curvature with C. Join P and C with the principal axis. Show the focus with capital F and show the object O dash. Write the given values. Object distance U is equal to minus 25 centimeters. We write minus here because we measured the object distance that is opposite to the direction of incident ray. We can see in this diagram also. Another given value, focal length small f is equal to minus 15 centimeters. We find image distance. Another given value, that is height of the object, ho is equal to 4 centimeters. We write plus 4 because the object is above the principal axis. Next we have to find out the height of the image. First we find image distance by using Miller's formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We separate 1 by v. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Substitute the values. So 1 by f is equal to minus 15. So minus 15 minus 1 by u is equal to minus 25. So minus 25. It implies 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 15, minus into minus plus So plus 1 by 25. LCM of 15 and 25 is equal to 75. So you write 75 here. 75 by 15. 5. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. So you write minus 5 plus 75 by 25. 3. So 3 into 1 3. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So minus 2 by 75. So we got 1 by v, that means the reciprocal of image distance 1 by v is equal to minus 2 by 75. The reciprocal of 1 by v is equal to v. So v is equal to minus 75 by 2. So we get minus 37.5. So image distance v is equal to minus 37.5 centimeters. So the sharp image we capture at the distance of 37.5 centimeters from the mirror. We write minus because image distance also we measured, that is opposite to the direction of incident ray. So we get the sharp image at beyond C. Next we find the height of the image by given values. So here we use magnification formula. Magnification small m is equal to minus v by u is equal to hi by ho. Here we find image height, so that we separate hi. So hi is equal to minus v by u into ho. Substitute the values. Hi is equal to minus v is equal to image distance that we got minus 37.5 centimeters. So here write minus 37.5 in brackets by u, that is object distance, that is minus 25. So minus 25 into ho, height of the object, that is 4 centimeters. So you write 4. So 4 means 4 by 1. Now 1 minus get cancelled. So you get minus 37.5 by 25 into 4 by 1. So here 5 5s are, you can simplify this, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Next 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1.5 into 4, minus is there. So hi is equal to 1.5 into 4, so 6, minus is there, so minus 6 centimeters. So this is the height of the image. Object height is 4 centimeters, but height of the image 6 centimeters. So image height, that is greater than the object height. So here we can show the object and image. Here object with O dash, image with I dash. Object height 4 centimeters, image height 6 centimeters. So here we can say the nature of the image. First you see object that is above the principal axis, but image that is inverted. That means below the principal axis. So inverted image, and image height is greater than the object height. So we can say enlarged image.